Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm back today with another hair tutorial, and this one's a little more ambitious than usual because I am sharing with you not one, not three, but 5 hairstyles. I have a feeling that I will be skipping arms at the gym later. These hairstyles are quick, they're easy, they could be recreated in just a few steps, and they're perfect for work, for school, or if you just want to try something new with your hair. And as always, I love hearing which hairstyle is your favorite, so don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. All right, let's get started. All right, let's start with one of my everyday favorites. It's very simple yet beautiful. So begin by gathering all of the hair above your temples and completely sectioning it off. Now, leave enough hair down to cover your ears, and this will give the hairstyle a more effortless appearance. Now, create a bun by tightly twisting the top section clockwise and then begin wrapping it the same direction that you twisted it, so clockwise around itself. Now, once you've wrapped your twist once, hold your ends against your head and just secure them to the lower section with your favorite hair clips. Clips are everywhere right now, but I got these ones from Lexi. Then play around with the shape of your bun, and if you wrapped it tightly, it should hold all day, but feel free to add some bobby pins if you need them. I love this hairstyle. It's such an easy and cute way to dress up a simple bun. Now, what's an everyday hairstyle these days without using a scarf? Now, you can also use ribbon, lace, or even a piece of your hair for this one. So go ahead, secure your hair into a loose, low ponytail and slip one piece of fabric underneath your hair elastic. Then wrap your fabric one time around your ponytail to cover that hair elastic. Next, divide your ponytail into 2 equal pieces. Then take your fabric and bring it over the right section and then underneath the left section. And then bring it up and over the left section and then underneath the right section. Now, if this sounds confusing, I promise it isn't. We're just weaving the fabric in a figure 8 pattern. So repeat, over the right and then underneath the left, bringing it over the left and under the right. And as you're wrapping your fabric, try to keep it close together to cover your hair. And you want to wrap it tightly, but not too tight or your pony will start twisting. Now, if you're using a thinner piece of fabric, you can wrap all the way down your ponytail, but if your fabric is thicker, it might be more difficult. So once you're happy with the look of your ponytail, just secure all of your hair and that fabric together with the small hair elastic. Then I knotted my scarf around my elastic to hide it, and it kind of gives it the illusion that the tie is just holding it all together. I love this hairstyle, very simple, unique, and remember that you can use all types of fabrics, so I can't wait to see what you create. This next one is a spin on a bun that I see so many people wearing every single day. So throw your hair into a bun. It's really simple. On the last loop of your ponytail, just don't pull your hair all the way through. And you can place your bun wherever you want, low, top of the head, the side of your head, wherever you prefer. Then pinch and pull on your bun to loosen it up for that casual look and repeat around the crown of your head. Okay, so this is the bun that I see all of the time. So we're gonna add one extra step that's really going to dress up this bun. Take your ends and create your favorite braid. I chose a 3-strand. It's simple, it's quick, but a fishtail would look so beautiful or a simple twist. Pulling on the sides of your braid will help give it a more intricate look. And once you're happy with it, wrap it over the top of your bun and tuck your ends underneath your hair elastic. And then add some bobby pins to hold your braid into place if you need to. I've done a few variations of this bun, but I really love how easy yet beautiful this one is. All right, another very simple hairstyle. So gather all of the hair above your ears and completely separate it off. Now hold it nice and low so your hair sweeps over your ears. I think this looks really effortless. And then secure your hair with a hair elastic and notice how low I secured it. Next, create a Topsy Tail. So make a hole just above your hair elastic and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole. Now the Topsy Tail is complete. Just tighten it up by pulling on the bottom sides of your ponytail, and it's time to transform this hairstyle. Begin pinching and pulling on small sections of hair around the crown of your head and then on the sides and then on the Topsy Tail. Now, once you've done this, tighten your hair elastic and repeat. Keep repeating, pinching, pulling, and tightening the Topsy Tail as many times as you like until you're happy with the overall appearance. Have fun with this and don't be afraid to really loosen it up. I love this hairstyle. It's so effortless and almost romantic looking, and you could also create this on a low ponytail as well. Next up is a very simple 2-strand braid. So secure your hair into a ponytail, and to cover your hair elastic, I'm going to show you a trick. So you can slide one bobby pin underneath your hair elastic and then grab a small piece of hair and just begin wrapping it around your ponytail behind that bobby pin. Once you're near the ends, wrap them around a second bobby pin and pull it through the first one. Then pull that first bobby pin down through your hair elastic, locking that hair into place. And then, of course, I pinched and pulled on small sections around the crown of my head to add volume. Okay, so for this braid, it's a sideways pull-through braid, but without all those pesky hair elastics. So divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, and then divide the right section into 2, so a top and a bottom. Now bring the top piece over the left section and the bottom piece under the left section, and then just join them together on the left side. So now you're left with 2 sections like before. So now repeat that pattern again. You divide that right piece into 2, a top and a bottom, and then bring the top piece over the left section and the bottom piece under the left section, and then just join them together on the left side. Keep repeating this pattern as far down your ponytail as you like, and if your hair is shorter, just braid a little bit tighter. I secured my braid off with a scrunchie. I really love scrunchies right now, and then I just tugged on the sides of the braid to loosen it up. I love this braid. I'm really digging the deconstructed look. I just think it looks so unique and beautiful for every day. So there we have it. What did you think? My arms are so tired, but it was definitely worth it. I actually had a lot of fun filming this video and coming up with the hairstyles for it, and I was thinking maybe I can make this a more regular thing if you'd like. But I really hope that you liked this video. Definitely let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and don't forget that you can check out pictures of the final look over on my Instagram, and I will link it down below. I really love talking to you guys in there. I feel like it's a little more personal and it's just easier. But if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.